So who is sick of winter? I am. Let me show you why. Because rather than working on the truck, this is the type of stuff that I gotta do right now. Rather than putting time into this, I have to deal with this. Not a lot of work you can get done in the garage when your garage is completely flooded. This actually isn't the first time I've done this. A couple weeks ago, everything melted. So I got all the water out of here. I broke up all the ice. Because, I mean, what can I do in here? Can I really start the cab corner when I'm sitting in a puddle of water trying to MIG weld? No. Things that I could be doing right now. I could be working on this thing. What is this thing, you might ask? Well, I got a couple Jeep Cherokees, and I've never actually showed you any of these, but this right here is a rusty machine block. Wow, that's bad. Why is there a bunch of chunks in here? Dude, it's the last time I go to that machine shop. So yeah, I gotta build this thing, but I was honestly gonna dip it in molasses first and remove all the rust. By the way, if you guys are interested, I'm actually starting an ice company. Fresh ice from Illinois. All right, let's get this shoveled. So once I actually get this cleaned up, I think what I'm gonna do is start doing garage updates. Because some of these builds that I got planned are gonna take a little bit of time to do. Might not be a bad idea. That way I can kind of keep you guys updated on what's happening with the truck and some of these other builds. So first things first, I had to change because I'm gonna be just so sloppy after this. And you might be asking yourself what this contraption is. Obviously this is a vacuum cleaner. This right here is a dust trap that I actually made for my sandblaster. What that does is most of the dust goes into this container and not a lot goes into there. Well, why is that important? So we've pulled probably what, 12 gallons out already? So tired of winter. I'm so done with it. It snows, it freezes, it melts, it rains, it ices over, it melts again. Polar vortex. I haven't really spent a lot of time in the garage because of cold weather and just stupid situations like this. All right, so check this out. This is awesome. Yeah, look how much water's in here. I probably ran it for a little bit too long, but that's the amount of water I have in there. Now check this out. I do have an aquarium pump, but I have a reef tank, and once it hits that, it's never going to be used for that tank, so no, that ain't happening. But this is the closest we've ever been, man. Oh, game changer. There's a little bit of water coming back in, because I mean, you can tell it's already starting to fill up. I chiseled away as much ice as I could in this area and in this area. With it being warm for the next couple days, I'm hoping that I can just kind of control this entrance point and just suck up any water that comes up. So these garage updates aren't all going to be like this. Usually it's going to have something to do with the truck or the Camaro. But I wanted to show you guys sometimes the things that we run into. We also removed the door for the truck, and now I got beautiful access, mainly to set up a camera right here for you guys to shoot this. We've been out here for about 2 hours, probably vacuumed at least 20 gallons plus of water. This is the next day. This is so much better than when we started. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.